everyone, it's Michelle from Country Morning Creations, and I am so excited to bring you this latest project of mine. It's a reusable book cover with a journal inside. What I've done is taken some printables. I used the printable kit, the woodland kit from Dot's Inspiration Shop, and I'll of course put their link below. This is a cover that I made that can be used over and over again, and you simply change out the journal that's inside. What I've done, this is old faded tent canvas, and I've used this before in a couple of things that I have cut out, created almost a frame, if you will, here using this beautiful pheasant picture. Then there's a plate and it says field notes, and this has all been glued onto it. And then you can see that there is this twine at the top. This is how the journal is held in place. So this is actually the first of two journals that I have included in this kit. So you can see that the journal just fits right in there. It gets tied in. And what I've done is kept both of the journals rather plain. So there's no tuck spots or ephemera or any of that kind of thing in here, but it is included. So we'll get to that in a minute, like the Ginsu knives of old, but wait, there's more. So let's take a look at this first one. It has this gorgeous, gorgeous elk. Probably a red stag is what they call those in Europe. And then it has a mixture of papers that I love to have in it. Of course, I have my, this is the 28 pound, so it's a heavier coffee dyed paper where I've acid neutralized the coffee, the acid in the coffee. It's hammer mill, so it's acid neutral paper as well. This is fountain pen friendly. It pretty much won't bleed through this. You might be able to see it a little bit from the other side, but it's very, very friendly. I use this in my own personal journals as well. This is an old book. This is from the late 1800s, and so this is the Report of the Botanist. Then I have, so all of these extra pages, I believe, are all genuine older ephemera. So there's another one. Then I have a set of these. So you'll see throughout these are different images that were pages created by Isa, who is Dot's Inspirations shop. I also have done some what I call digital stamping. So I took some of her images and printed just the straight images onto the different pages. So you'll see some of these throughout here. This is from a dictionary, and it has all of the woodman, wood nymph, wood pulp, all of the wood stuff on it. This is, I can't remember what this is called, but I do get it from Amazon, and if I think of it, I'll tell you maybe in the next one, because I did include some in all of them. Another one of these gorgeous pages. It's got a bear on it. And then this is some genuine French ephemera. And then this is from 1919, a piece out of one of my personal ledgers that I have. We get to the middle again, some more digital stamping. And then this is simply tied in. And I also used that same jute twine to sew the signatures into these books. I wanted a very rustic feel to this. This is just folded over. It could potentially be a tuck spot or a place where maybe you add some paper in here, or you could put pictures on it, any of those sorts of things. Another one of those digital stamps. And then I have this fern image. Isn't that gorgeous? I love, love, love these. Mulberry paper, that's what this is called. It's mulberry paper, and I get that from Amazon. Some more of that dictionary page. More of the plain papers, as well as some of these pages. And then some cute mushrooms on that page. And then that is the end. So this whole journal will come out. However, I'm going to set that aside and get out the next journal, which is almost identical, except it has different images. This one has the pheasant again, so that kind of goes with the cover of that. And again, these beautiful printouts from Isa at Dot's Inspiration Shop. The same coffee dyed paper. Here's a mushroom, so some of the same digital stamping. Another one, this one's the report of the Secretary of Agriculture, all from that same book. More of these gorgeous images. This is again from 1919, so this is out of a personal ledger, more of that mulberry paper. A squirrel, or it looks like it's a red squirrel. We have red squirrels here in Colorado. I love that. And a deer. And then this one, I remember I picked out for some reason, and I don't remember what it is, and I may find it. Oh, I bet it's forest. When we get to the other side of this, it'll say forest. And more of this ephemera. A butterfly or a moth, I'm not sure which, is here. So this, there we go, forest. I chose this out of this. So this is actually from a 1930s secretary desk dictionary, and it has a lot of other stuff in it, so it's not just a plain dictionary. More of these gorgeous prints. Mulberry paper again, with some more of that ledger paper. Another digital stamp. The beautiful fox on this. And then you have more of those pages. And that is the end of that. And this paper is just gorgeous. I love that. So now I'm making room for what I call the pièce de résistance, or the final thing. This kit also comes with this box that I have made. It uses the same tent canvas, and I've created a box that has, oops, a couple of little things stuck to it, but it's held shut so you can take it with you if you want to carry it, or you want to have it on your desk. And this comes with all of the ephemera and a variety of other things as well. So we simply open it up, and I have some tickets in here. I have a pen. My favorite pens are these G2 pens. So this is the Pilot G2 .07. I have a glue stick. I have some Tim Holtz clips in here. There's those 3, and then 3 of this kind. And then there is just tons of ephemera. This is all from the kit, and they're just gorgeous. There's some other random pieces. That's just a die cut. There's owls and mushrooms, a variety of other things, some ferns, some postcards. These are just gorgeous. I included some of this paper that can be added to the journal. And any of these could be used. For example, this you could glue down the edges and put it on a page, and that could become a tuck spot, which is one of the things I love, is all this versatility. We've got more postcards. We've got some smaller images that could be glued with your glue stick. Another one that could become a tuck spot. These are some smaller tags. So you have some small tags. These, if you glue just the top edge onto a piece of paper, these can become tuck spots as well. And then it also comes with 3 large tags, which are just gorgeous. Again, using this beautiful green background on them. So this one and this one came with the printed on it. This one's blank, so you could theoretically decorate your own even tag if you wanted to. So that is this woodland kit. I'm calling it Into the Woods. If you are interested, it will be listed in my Etsy shop by the time this is uploaded. So if you're seeing this, if it has already sold, I will mark it sold in the comments below. I hope you have enjoyed my Into the Woods journal kit. This is quite the kit. It's got your cover, 2 journals, and a box full of stuff. And so I hope you've enjoyed checking out all of this stuff, and I hope I've inspired you to be creative today.